In the morning, this is what you get. Little sure goes a long way, doesn't it? Look how long this is. You could chop this up, but I'm using my kitchen shears for a quick trim. Each sliver of seaweed should be, no longer than your soup spoon, but not too thin to lose any texture. Now for the stock. Chuck, to be precise. Cut into small cubes, fat and all. Add in a tablespoon of sesame oil to your pot and brown your beef. Throw in a tablespoon of minced garlic and kill the heat. Well, we don't want to brown the garlic, we just want to take the raw edge off. Pour in 5 to 6 cups of hot water and your seaweed and bring the heat back on high. I'm also adding in a tablespoon of 국간장 or soy sauce for soups. Just make sure not to add too much or it'll stain the soup brown. Lid on and keep it burbling for a good hour. And the soup's done when it's thick and velvety like that and with green oil floating on top.